Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable juries, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am Raisa Khanza Nurashia. I am the 5th grader of Integrated and Islamic Primary School of Al Furqon. First of all, I would like to thank for this opportunity, so I can stand up here in front of you all to tell you about what can we do to save our forest. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me begin. A forest is an area of land dominated by trees. The trees help create a spatial environment which affects the kinds of animals and plants that can exist in the forest. Trees are an important component of the environment. They clean the air, clean on hot days, conserve heat at night, and act as excellent stone absorbers. In fact, rainforests are being destroyed. The ever-growing human consumption and population is the biggest because of forest destruction due to the vast amounts of resource, products, service we take from it. Did you know that deforestation and forest degradation can happen both quickly and gradually? It happens when a forest is clear-cut to make way for palm oil or a new settlement. And it could also happen as a result of ongoing forest degradation as temperatures rise due to climate change caused by human activity. Below, I would like to inform you about the causes of deforestation and forest degradation. 1. Conversion of forests for other land uses, including pulp, palm, and soy plantation, settlement, roads, and infrastructure. 2. Forest fires. Each year, fires burn millions of hectares of forest worldwide. Fires are a part of nature, but degraded forests are particularly vulnerable. 3. Illegal and unsustainable logging. 4. Overharvesting. Overharvesting is domestic use or commercial trade in charcoal significantly damage forests. 5. Mining. The impact of mining on tropical forests is growing due to rising demand and high mineral prices. 6. Climate change. Forest loss is both a cause and an effect of our changing climate. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what can we do to maintain our forests from deforestation and forest degradation? According to true research, education, and exploration, there are 10 things you can do to save trees and forests around the world. 1. Conserve trees and forests in your area. Encourage your local government to conserve forests, create parks, and oppose destructive suburban sprawl and other developments. 2. Plant trees. The more, the better. Plant trees in your community or donate to organizations that plant trees around the world. 3. Support forest conservation organizations. NGOs like the Tree Foundation, the Nature Conservancy, the Sierra Club, Center of Biodiversity, and Rainforest Action Network of SET. 4. Learn about forests, both local and global. Educate yourself about forests, their importance, and the threats they face. The more you learn about this wonderful ecosystem, the more you can appreciate their beauty, capacity, and critical role in our planet's health. 5. Buy forest-friendly or certified products. 6. Demand better labeling of products so you know if they are certified and sustainable. 7. Advocate for climate change solution. Campaign to enact progressive climate policies in the community and work to reduce your own contribution to climate change. 8. Visit forests often. 9. Teach kids about forests through books and outdoor exploration. 10. Share your love of forests to others. Spread awareness of forest issues. You can start by sharing this list on social media. Humans will not survive without forests, period. We must all work together to ensure that this magical place survive and thrive. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that's all for my speech. Thank you for your great attention. Love yourself, love our forests. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.